To install an app on your Georgetown ISD owned iPad, you will first find the self-service app on your iPad. It looks like this with a tilted square that's multicolored. Go ahead and tap to open that self-service app. And then once you have opened it, in the bottom right, you can tap the search and then type in the name of the app you are looking for. And I'm looking for one called Shadow Puppet. And after I've typed part of the name, you can see that the choices dwindle until you see the app you want. Occasionally it's listed twice. Doesn't really matter which one you select. But whichever one you want to install, you just tap install. And you'll see the circling motion. Depending on the size of the app and just general connectivity to the wireless wherever you're at, it could take a while or it could be short. Now, if I close out of self-service, I might have to swipe to the final screen on my iPad to find the app I just installed. If you are looking in self-service for an app that you need and it is not listed, that is when you would put in a service desk request for assistance with getting the app into self-service so that you can install it. So in this case, Seesaw is not showing up for my iPad. I would have to put in a service desk request. I hope this has been helpful for letting you know how to install apps on your GISD iPad using the self-service app.